Hey guys, welcome back to the Style Chat channel. Today's lazy girl video is going to be all about getting glowy, sun-kissed skin. So keep watching because it's not so complicated. I'm specifically starting off with my MAC Waterweight foundation because it's quite sheer and gives it that dewy effect because of its serum base. Never mind me, I'm being disturbed by someone very annoying there. Moving on to the compact, this step can actually be skipped if you have dry skin so it doesn't remove all of that shine. I'm going to be using this since I have oily skin on my T-zone and under eye of course. Since it's going to be all about the glow, you're going to be seeing me use a lot of shimmer products. Here I'm just starting off with the shimmer powder, which is very fine shimmer particles, so I'm putting that all over the face. Yeah, that's my BFF. Whenever I want my skin to look super glowy, I layer my highlighter. That is, I use this face highlighter gel and then I use the highlighter powder over it. In fact, in the Huda Beauty palette for highlighters, there is a cream highlighter which can also be used as a base to layer on the highlighter over it to give that really solid glow. Since we're talking about the sun-kissed look, I opted for this Chanel blush which is peachy pink and actually has a little bit of shimmer in it. I know in my description I mentioned extra, so here's me going extra on the blush as well. I'm using a Ibiza shade from the Huda Beauty palette onto my cheeks. I always swear by this MAC Extra Dimension Skinfinish for my sun-kissed looks. It's basically like a bronzer, but it has this amazing metallic shine and I use it all over my face to even contour. Talking about all this glow, I can't believe I forgot to do my brows. So let me tell you, I've done no eye makeup in this look. In fact, no eyeliner and no white liner pencil as well that I use, and it just brings all the attention to the skin being sun-kissed. Wait, the look isn't yet complete. I skipped doing the eyes, but I'm definitely not skipping doing the lips. And I have a little extra happening on the lips as well. Ta-da! All done. I hope you guys like this look as much as I love creating it for you all. Well, you know the drill as well. Hit the like if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, keep watching all my videos and love to you all.